Paw Patrol. Hi, flying friends. Sky is super excited to see her pilot hero, Ace Sorensen, perform in the Adventure Bay Air Show. Oh no! Ace's plane, Amelia, is having engine trouble. Ace needs to land before it gets dark. She calls the Paw Patrol for help. Ryder asks Chase and Rocky to set up a runway so Sky can guide Ace safely to the ground. Chase sets up cones on Farmer Yummy's farm. Next, Rocky tapes old flashlights around the cones. Now the runway is visible from the sky. As Ace approaches the runway, she hears a loud boom. Amelia's wing is damaged. "I'm not going to make it," says Ace. "I've got to jump." It is too dark to parachute, so Ace climbs onto the plane's wing and reaches for Sky's safety harness. Ace is safe, but her plane is in trouble. Ryder tracks Amelia on his pup pad. The plane has just crash-landed in the bay. Ryder and Chase rescue the plane before it sinks. Amelia is back on dry land, but she is still in rough shape. The Paw Patrol can help. Rocky patches the wing, Ryder fixes the cockpit, and Ace repairs the engine. Sky starts the plane up and Amelia is as good as new. "Thanks, team," says Ace. She invites Sky to be part of the air show too. What a pup-tastic day for high-flying friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Paw Patrol stories, check out my Paw Patrol playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, everyone. See you next time.